Amid rising tensions between USA and Iran, today in this video we are going to show you the military power of Iran in details. Let's get started. First, let's see the ballistic missile of Islamic Republic of Iran. At present, Iran doesn't have any long-range intercontinental ballistic missiles, but has many short to medium-range ballistic missiles ranging from 200 to 2,500 kilometers. Anti-ballistic missile system, anti-aircraft missile system. The Islamic Republic of Iran currently has Russian-made S-300 missile systems and newly introduced indigenously built Bavar 373 missile systems in its inventory to protect against any incoming air threat. Manpower. At present, the Iranian armed forces have over 520,000 active military personnel and have around 350,000 reserved military personnel. Now, coming to the defense budget of the Iranian armed forces, the Iranian armed forces spends around $20 billion. Along with indigenously built weapons, its current military equipment also includes Russian and American weapons in large number. Now let's see the land power. The Iranian armed forces at present have around 1,600 main battle tanks, over 2,000 armored fighting vehicles, over 550 self-propelled artillery, and approximately 700-plus multi-launch rocket system. Air power. The Iranian armed forces at present have over 850 military aircraft, out of which nearly 130 are fighter jets and over 120 are helicopters. F-14 Tomcat, MiG-29, Mirage F-1, and indigenously built Hessa Kausar are the main fighting jets of Iranian Air Force at the moment. The Iranian armed forces at present lacks modern multi-role fighter jets and still depends largely on old American and Russian aircraft. Naval power. The Iranian Navy maintains around 33 submarines, although most of the submarines are of small to midget size. In addition to this, the Iranian Navy has 6 frigates, 3 corvettes, and many patrol boats. The Iranian Navy currently doesn't have any destroyers or aircraft carriers. Thanks for watching.